Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel The Code Arc. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to use Google's Teachable machine for voice recognition. Please refer to my previous video wherein I've also shown you how to use Google's Teachable machine for any image project. Anyways, Teachable machine is a free and a beginner friendly tool where you can train your computer to recognize different sound or even your own voice command without writing a single line of code. If you are new here, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and the bell button for more AI tutorial. Alright, coming back to the point. For example, if I want to train the model to recognize the words hello and bye so that computer or my model can differentiate between the two and predict the output correctly whether the spoken word is hello or the spoken word is bye, let me quickly show you how to do this using Teachable's machine. Fine. This is a teachable machine in front of you. Here on the home page of Teachable Machine with Google.com, we select audio project since we are dealing with voice recognition. Alright. This is going to ask you to add different classes of voice or the audio. Classes are nothing but the category. The two categories I'm going to add, one hello, other bye. But if you see the first one here, background noise, this is by default. You have to record a 20-second sample background noise. How to do that? Just have to click to mic option, say record for 20 seconds. Right? This is only going to capture the background noise in your environment. This becomes helpful especially when you go to test the output so that even if nothing has been spoken to detect, the background noise is still under the capture. Alright, we are almost here to end 20 seconds and here we go. After it is done, make sure that you click to extract the sample. Alright, 20 audio samples have been detected to detect the background noise. Here we go to class 2. Make sure this category, you name it as, in my case, hello. Hold on your mic and record the sound of hello in your own voice or in anybody's voice. Remember that you are recording in 3 to 4 or maybe 5 different tones. Although 8 minimum samples are required here. Let's see how do we do that. I click to mic button, hold it to record hello, hello, extract the sample. You're going to do it at least 3 to 4 times so that 8 minimum samples have been recorded. Again record hello, hello. Okay, this was a little harder tone. I'll be a little soft this time. Hello. Okay, 6 of them done. Last. Hello, hello, and done. Okay, fine. Let me go to add a new class. This time I would train the model how the word bye should be sounded. So let me say bye this time. Again, let me record 8 minimum sample of bye in my voice. So I click to mic, record for 2 seconds. Bye, bye. Even if you say one time, that's okay. Bye, bye. Okay, in a little soft tone this time. Bye, bye. One more. Bye, bye, bye. Okay, fine. Alright, almost done. The two classes hello and bye and the default class background noise that the model requires by mandatorily. Next, go to train the model. It will take hardly 10 to 20 seconds of time depending upon the classes you have selected. Almost done. This is the time to check the output, how the machine is predicting. If you see, even when I speak nothing, it is still recognizing that background sound is high. This is the background noise mostly detected because 20 samples have been taken, right? Let me say this time the word, make sure that your input is on, and let me take this time, let me speak this time the word hello. Hello, hello, hello. You see the second bar is high. Hello, hello, hello. Bye, 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 bye. Hello, hello, bye, bye. Wow, this is amazing. This is how precisely the Teachable machine is working, right? You have just learned how to create your own voice recognition model using Google's Teachable machine, all without coding. If you found this video really helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such AI and ML tutorials. Alright, that's all from my side. Shall see you back in one more AI model. Take care.